Hi Chuck, I want to thank you for sending in your sample material and your patterns for your dies. I don't have a die like this, but what I do have, I have two forged dies that I can use. I'm going to simulate what you want on your patterns for your material. I'm going to set this down here. I'm going to put the circle die inside that. Now I know these aren't the configurations that you want, but I think what is going to be needed is a scrap piece of paper underneath to cut through the final piece there, the final little bit of your material. And that's going to give you a cleaner cut on the material. If you use something scrap underneath there, it's just the fibers are going to be pushed into the plastic HDPE board a little bit too much. So, and that's going to help you out with your cleaner cuts. Now, what I'm going to do again is, that is a steel forged die that I just used. Now those are going to be pretty expensive if you try to use those. So what I would suggest is that we use a clicker die, which is less expensive. Now this is spring steel, and we make these in-house, and they're just almost as good as the steel forged dies when it comes to cutting abilities. Now I'll go ahead and lay this down on top of here, and I'll actually put another one down so we can simulate the size of your die that you're going to be using. And as you can see, it cuts out very cleanly with the clicker dies, just as cleanly as the other ones. We'll go ahead and you can see on the paper here. That one's got a little bit of a hang up. And you can see on the paper here where it cuts the patterns out. This die is one of our test dies. So I'll go ahead and send you this video over, Chuck, and I'll call you to discuss it. Thank you.